Now we are about to see how the candidate answers a test in the Addmen computer-based test software interface. The candidate begins by logging onto his account from your institute website. Upon login, the candidate reaches his dashboard, where he gets to see a list of all the tests which he is entitled to take. Even if the administrator has created many more tests, but only a few are mapped with the branch and class of this candidate, then only those few tests will be listed on his dashboard. The list of tests shows a few details about the test, like its sections, its number of questions, its duration and activation period, etc. Only the tests which are active and can be started at this time will show the Open Test button. If a test is scheduled for a future date, then it will show the upcoming status in place of the button. Starting a test won't be possible until its schedule's period of activation has arrived. Similarly, if a test was not attempted during its active period, it will display missed status in place of the button. Starting this test would not be possible once its scheduled time has passed. Tests that have been answered already and submitted finally will show the View Result button. If any tests have been assigned a price, then accordingly the Buy Test button will display. So let us answer a test. We select a test and proceed further by pressing the Open Test button. Once a test is opened, the candidate is able to read the instructions for operation and instructions for answering the test if uploaded. Having read the instructions, and accepting the terms, it's now time to start the test. As soon as the candidate presses the Start Test button, the timer begins to count down. Questions display one by one on the screen and can be changed at the will of the user. If required, the user can jump from one to some other question out of sequence. If required, you can also change the sections to list question of the chosen section only. The test solution interface allows the user to answer the question in various ways. You can answer the question and submit it for scoring. If you want to return back to a particular question, you can mark it for review with or without answer. A question that has been marked for review with an answer will be saved with answer, while the questions saved for review without answer are treated as unanswered. Or you can dump a question altogether so that you don't waste any time in future in reselecting and viewing this question. The interface allows you to answer numeric response type questions and matrix matching type questions. See how the passage-based questions appear with the common passage displayed on the left-hand side and the corresponding MCQ questions being displayed on the right-hand side of the passage. After answering the test, now the user can finally submit the test for scoring. This same test cannot be opened by the same user once finally submitted. The candidate can now move on to see the results on the online scoreboard, which we will cover in the next video. We have few more videos in this series.